But
Yeah.
yeah, I have a very good story for you because that story will really connect and it will help you to see how you can leverage the environment which Vijay and everyone has created here. So the story goes something like this. Okay, so there was long, long ago when there was Bhagwan, there was God. God and a disciple was communicating, and that time even the human beings are not yet developed, and it was initial stages of forming of Earth. And God was asking that disciple that, yeah, I have to keep the trade secret of success principles somewhere in this world where people have to fight for it and then get it. So then he asked, where should I keep it? What do you suggest? So then disciple thought for some time, and then God only told ki I have multiple options. You tell me which is correct or not. So first God told, shall I keep the success principles in the toppest of the world near the Earth's stratosphere somewhere where people will find difficult to get it? And then this guy told, disciple told, ki, I think human beings are very, very powerful and very, very smart. They will be able to reach that place. So please don't keep it there. Then the God told, okay, fine. So I won't keep it there. Then where to keep next? Then again, God thought and he told, how about keeping the secret in the deepest of the ocean, where again human beings have to really work hard to really get it because hardly few people go inside the deepest of the ocean. So a disciple again told, the human beings are super smart. If even one guy goes inside it, then it will be partiality because that guy will get it and he won't give it to anyone else. So this is also not a good idea. Now the God told them, where should we keep it? You suggest. Then they thought, both of them discussed and they brainstormed it, and so many brainstorming session happened. And finally, they came up with a very good place, which was not partial to anyone, but everyone have to fight for it. Anyone guess? Any guesses where? It's an easy question. Except Supra and Bharat.
Yeah. Except us.
Except anyone want to have some guesses? What would have they decided?
I think also she had raised for a different purpose.
Acha.
Graveyard, Kiran.
Graveyard. Oh, very nice perspective. That's a good perspective. What else? Anyone else? I'll quickly reveal, then I don't have time. So I'll tell the answer. So the God and they both decided that human success principle has to be there inside their heart, through the soul to the mind, and everyone have to really work hard to go towards the enlightenment or towards the key to really nurture from yourself and to find success within you. So that is where God became very impartial. He was not biased to anyone. So every one of us have to fight to get that key, and that key is within you. And that is where we all come into the picture. PIM, book club, all these books, everything is helping you to find out that key inside you so that you can make some changes in your life, and then you can find that key inside your heart through the soul and to the mind. And that is what the secret is. So I'm sure people are getting really affected with all those learnings and all, because things are going really wonderful. And I'm super excited whenever I come here to talk to all of you, and Bharat, Supra are doing really amazing. All of us are really fighting really hard to get that key for our life in whatever endeavor we are in. And regarding that, Vijay is doing another great job. So if you do the hard work, maybe you'll take 5 years of time. Vijay is already doing the hard work. He's full time. Can you imagine someone is not doing job full time working on this area, such that he can help you, all of you, to find your keys so that you can take that key and go wherever you want in your life. And similarly, we have our one of the great weekend coming up. So I'm super excited for Saturday, and I hope people are excited here. And see you again on Saturday. Thank you, Bharat and Supra, for inviting.